Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mixed dry fruits powder. First, gather your preferred dry fruits and nuts, such as almonds, cashews, walnuts, and dates. Make sure they are all thoroughly clean and completely dry to prevent any moisture from affecting the powder's quality. This initial step is crucial for a smooth and successful process, ensuring your powder has a long shelf life and excellent texture. Next, consider lightly roasting your dry fruits and nuts. Spread them on a baking sheet and roast in an oven at 250 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 to 7 minutes, or gently toast them in a dry pan over low heat. This step is optional but highly recommended as it brings out a richer flavor and helps in easier grinding, while also extending the powder's freshness. Once your dry fruits are cool, it's time to grind them into a fine powder. Use a powerful blender or food processor. Grind in short, intermittent pulses to prevent the natural oils from clumping the mixture. This method helps achieve a consistent, fine texture without turning it into a paste. Continue until you reach your desired powder consistency. Finally, proper storage is key to maintaining the quality of your homemade dry fruit powder. Transfer the powder to an airtight container immediately after grinding. Store it in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. This ensures the powder remains fresh and flavorful for several weeks, ready to be added to smoothies, cereals, or baby food.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.